Hey, what is going on YouTube? In this video, you're going to see this angry black crow go after the Mavic Mini like it's a bug, and he is hungry. And it made me laugh, but it was scary all at the same time. I want to welcome you guys back to the Gerald channel. If you guys enjoyed this video of the angry bird, give it a thumbs up. I hope you guys enjoy the channel, and if you do, hit that subscribe button, guys. All right, let's jump into the video. Let me know what you guys think. Hit the play button here and give you guys a little taste of it. Here it comes. All right, let's get into the video.
That other side of this red car. Where you at coming back? See if I follow you. Woo! There he is, look. See, he just jump on top of that red one. On that top of that red one, see?
I'm looking at him now.
Try to fly over him and see what he does.
See him?
Oh, here he comes, here he goes. Think he's going after you. He is, look. He's thinking, that's a big bug, I'm hungry. Oh, you should have turned your GoPro on for that.
I think it was on.
And turn around and come back and get it on your GoPro. He's over here.
You stand still so I can use you as a shadow.
Okay, I'll do it.
Where am I? Where am I?
Well, that's the good thing. You can go straight up. You're right here. And he can't. Oh, there he is. He's on you again. See him? He's going to land on the red one. There he is. Oh, here he comes. Look. Did you GoPro on?
I hope so. He's been chasing me hard, man. I mean, look at this guy.
You don't want nothing to him. He'd put you in the water.
Yeah, he'll knock me down in no time.
He was after you.
He wanted some.
I hope the GoPro has it.
I hope he has it.